Kenya Kwanza omako chung' motegno ni lalruok e kindgi gi Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance pod biro dhi nyime kata bang' kweth mar Azimio lando ni ok gibi yware e twak makamano. Koro Kenya Kwanza wacho ni Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance pokoro negi oboke ayanga manyiso ni negi weyo twak. Azimio to pod oramo ni Kenya Kwanza ne oketo tuge twagno. Lidio Keyo leronwa ywakni.
Eromo mane gibedogo e kar bagoromo mabomas, kweth mar Kenya Kwanza wacho ni onge oboke ma oseornegi gi kweth mar Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance manyiso ayanga ni ne gibolo twagno kanyaka sani pod ging'eyo ni twak makamano biro dhi mbele.
We wish to confirm that we have had no communication whatsoever from the Kenya Kwanza, from the Azimio side, and there has been no attendance. They have not written to us to say they are not coming back. They have not invoked the remaining clauses to say they are not coming back. But we are going to wait for them for what in law we know is a reasonable period of time. The failure to communicate and the failure to attend by Azimio side of the talks is a demonstration of lack of interest and a good faith in these talks.
Kweth mar Kenya Kwanza koro dwaro mondo miaput maneno no weche commissioners mag duol matao yiere pacho ka IEBC odhi mbele kod chenro mar manyo commissioners manyien mag IEBC.
The country needs IEBC as a matter of extreme urgency. You all know that we do have constituencies that require by-elections. We have wards that require by-elections. And of paramount importance is the delimitation of constituency boundaries, which has a timeline of sometime next year. Therefore, it is our position this afternoon to state that the process of recruitment by the selection panel, as far as we are concerned, is not hindered by any order, by any directive, or by anything from anyone, and therefore it should proceed as the law prescribes.
Kweth mar Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance dwe mokalo nowacho ni ok gibidonjo e twak e kindgi gi Kenya Kwanza ka giwacho ni kwethno ne ok omiyo twagno pek mowinjore.
Having imposed on us the punitive taxation measures contained in the Finance Act 2023 in complete disregard of our views, we declare an end to the bipartisan talks to which we had sent our delegation, in the hope that Kenya Kwanza will show interest in resolving the pro-people issues, including the cost of living.
Jatend kweth mar Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance Ramogi Odinga wacho ni kweth mar Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance ne oikore ne twak makamano, to kata kamano Kenya Kwanza no oketo tugo e twagno.
Kenya Kwanza cannot solely alone single-handedly appoint the referee in the elections. That is very unfair. Those then will be their own elections. They are not going to be Kenyan national elections.
Wenge koro rito neno poni kweth mar Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance biro medo jiwo chung' margi koso gibiro yie donjore e twagno kaka nosepangi. Lydia Okeyo, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.